Hi, hello dear students. Welcome to our channel Maths with Panindra. In this video, we are going to discuss about short answer type questions in circles. In first exercise, we have important 4 marks questions are there. Like some questions which are not only 4 marks but also 7 marks questions also they will ask sometimes. So these questions I am going to explain in this session. Not only from first exercise and from different exercise, different questions. I am going to explain in this session, minimum 40 minutes. Let us have a discussion the question here. If the abscissa of points A, B are the roots of the equation x square plus 2ax minus b square equal to 0 and ordinates of A and B are the roots of this equation y square plus 2py minus q square equal to 0, then find the equation of the circle for which AB has a diameter. So first the rough figure we have to draw. This is the circle equation. AB is a diameter whose end points I am taking as x1, y1 and x2, y2. And this is the C is the center. Okay. After that, how to calculate the equation of circle whose end points of the diameter is given. Conditions are provided. x1, y1, x2, y2, first step will write it. Let A of x1, y1, B of x2, y2 are end points of the diameter or extremities of the diameter. Here, this x1, x2 are the roots of this equation. Similarly, y1, y2 are roots of this equation. Given x1, x2 are roots of x square plus 2ax minus b square equal to 0, then sum of the roots and product of the roots. Then x1 plus x2 sum of the roots minus b by a in quadratic equations. In place of b, what value is there? 2a. So minus 2a by a value is 1 here. Next, and product of the roots x1, x2, c by a, c value minus b square, a value 1. And also given y1, y2 are roots of y square plus 2py minus q square equal to 0, then we write it as y1 plus y2, y1 plus y2, sum of the roots minus 2p by 1, so minus 2p, and product y1, y2 equal to c by a means minus q square by 1. After completing of these steps, third step, the equation of circle whose end points of the diameter, end points of diameter are A of x1, y1, and b of x to y2 is x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equal to 0. So just we are simplifying x into x square. From these two x take common, minus x into x1 plus x2 plus x1 x2 plus y square minus y into y1 plus y2 plus y1 y2 is equal to 0. Wherever x1 plus x2, x1 x2 is there, these two values replace. Wherever y1 plus y2, y1 y2 is there, you have to replace these values. X square minus x into minus 2a plus x1 x2 value is minus b square plus y square minus y into y1 plus y2 minus 2p plus y1 y2 minus q square. So we need to explain, we need to expand. First x square, after that y square plus 2ax plus 2py minus b square minus q square is equal to 0, which is the required equation of circle whose end points of the diameter AB as a diameter. Hence the result. This is the way you can do this, students. I hope you understand. Any doubts are there, you write in the comments. After completing of the session, better to write the comments. That time it will be useful. I will get it. Otherwise, if it is completed, I will move to another one. Find the equation of the circle whose center lies on the x-axis and passing through minus 2 comma 3 and 4 comma 5. Find the equation of circle whose center lies on x-axis. The figure is the circle equation whose center lies on x-axis. X-axis. Center will be here. And passing through -2, 3 somewhere else. Next 4, 5. Find the equation of circle whose center lies on x-axis. On x-axis, y coordinate. See here, -z minus f is the generally center. Whenever it lies on x-axis, y coordinate, f value goes to be 0. Whenever f value goes to be 0, the equation of circle. So here only 0. So the equation of circle whose center lies on x-axis is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus c equal to 0. On x-axis, y coordinate of the center should be 0. That means f value 0. This equation is passing through first point -2, 3. Equation 1 passes through -2, 3. So 4 plus 9 minus 4g plus c equal to 0. So 13 minus 4g plus c equal to 0. Keep it that equation number 2. Next, equation 1 passes through 4, 5. So 16 plus 25 plus 8g plus c equal to 0. 16 plus 25, 41 plus 8z plus c equal to 0. Equation number 3. On solving equation 2 and equation 3, solving 2 and 3, we get, see, we'll solve it. 41 plus 8z plus c equal to 0. Next, 13 minus 4z plus c equal to 0. We are subtracting equation 1 from equation 2 from equation 3. So plus c minus c get cancelled. 8 plus 12z plus 28. Are you all with me? Are you all getting here? Are you able to see? Yes. So from here, 12z equal to minus 28, 4 table, 4 3s are 4 7s are. G equal to minus 7 divided by 3. So 4 7s are 28, 4 3s are. So G value is minus 7 by 3. After getting the value of G equal to minus 7 by 3. Substitute in equation 2. Yeah. So 13 minus 4 into minus 7 by 3 plus C equal to 0. That implies C equal to 13, bring that side, minus 13 plus 28 also bring that side, minus 28 by 3. So minus 13, total LCM is 3 into 13, 39 minus 28. So C equal to minus 67 by 3. So G value and C value G comma C values. Substitute in equation 1, we get x square plus y square plus 2 into minus 7 by 3x minus 67 by 3 equal to 0. So take LCM 3x square plus y square minus 14x minus 67 equal to 0. Which is the denominator 3 we are bringing that side. Which is the required equation of the circle whose center lies on x-axis. I hope you understand it, students. This is also one of the 4 marks or 7 marks question. I'll move to another set of questions. After completing of the session, you can write the comments, then on that time I will help you. So I'm in second year, can I study from Narayana? Yes, Narayana important list, you can study, you can practice from that 7 marks and 6 LAQs, whatever it is given, you can practice. Along with that, our channel also, it will help you. And if you are really interested about our channel, please share to your friends also. Yeah, I will move to another question. Point of contact, length of chord, all these models, parallel, perpendicular questions also we discussed. Concyclic 7 marks question also. Oh, one more question is there, that is important. There is also, till now they didn't ask, but they may chances to ask the question, intercepts. Sorry. Find the equation of circle. Find the equation of the circle passing through origin and making intercepts 4, 3 on x-axis and y-axis respectively. So find the equation of circle passing through origin and making intercepts 4, 3 on x-axis and y-axis. See how we are going to discuss this problem. See, the figure will come like this, dear students. X-axis, y-axis, origin. So this length from here to here, this length is x-intercept. X-intercept length is 4. This side it is. From here to here. From here to here it is y-intercept length. That length is given as 3. So first, let the required equation. Let the required equation of the circle S equal to x square plus y square plus 2cx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Since the circle passing through origin, then c value goes to be 0. Whenever it is passing through the origin, c value goes to be 0. Next, length of x-intercept made by the circle on x-axis. Length of x-intercept made by equation 1 is 4. That is 2 root of g square minus c is equal to 4. So 2 ones, 2 twos. Since c value is 0, root g square is equal to 2. If your square root and root will cancel, plus or minus g will come here. Plus or minus g equal to 2, that implies g equal to plus or minus 2. Okay. Similarly, the length of y-intercept made by equation 1 is 3. That is 2 root of f square minus c is equal to 3. But 3 not divisible by 2 now, so to bring that sign. F square minus c equal to 3 by 2. Since c equal to 0, so root f square is equal to 3 by 2. So plus or minus f equal to 3 by 2. That implies f equal to plus or minus 3 by 2. So c value we got, g value and f value. These 3 values substitute in equation 1. We get, so last step, g, f and c values substitute in equation 1. So x square plus y square plus 2 into g value plus or minus 2x, 2 into plus or minus 3 by 2 into y, c value 0. So here 2 get cancelled. That is the required equation x square plus y square plus or minus 4x plus or minus 3y is equal to 0. We may expect this question for 4 marks. I am expecting this year either in TS or AP. We may expect this question, dear students. I hope you understand. We'll move to another question. Those who are watching, please share to your friends and compulsory should like this video. It reaches more persons. That is my intention, dear students. If you like this video, it will reach more. I hope you understand that. Why I am saying like this. I will provide these pictures in community tab with YouTube link. Whenever you are writing the answer in your notes, you can see that video also. It will help you. Next question. Find the equation. Even this question also sometimes 4 or 7. Find the equation of a circle which passes through 4, 1 and 6, 5 and having the center on 4x plus 3y minus 24 equal to 0 and having the center on 4x plus 3y minus 24 equal to 0. See, my sincere suggestion, dear students, in the live, if you chart, I am not able to see your chart. After completing of the session, you can give your comments, whatever your requirements. So first what you have to do, find the equation of circle means let the consider given regular equation. Let the required equation of circle, required equation of the circle be general equation x squared plus y squared plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Put that equation number 1. Okay. Equation 1 passing through. First, next. Equation 1 passes through. First point 4, 1. In place of x and y, 4, 1 replace. 16 directly I am writing plus 1 plus 8g plus 2f plus c equal to 0. So 17 plus 8g plus 2f plus c equal to 0. Keep equation number 2. Equation 1 passes through. Six comma 5. So in place of x and y, 6 comma 5, 36 plus 25 plus 12z plus 10f plus c equal to 0. 36 plus 25, 61 plus 12z plus 10f plus c equal to 0. Equation number 3. Solving 2 and 3. Solving 2 and 3. So 61 plus 12z plus 10f plus c equal to 0. Here 17 plus 8g plus 2f plus c equal to 0. While subtracting, sign changes. 61 minus 17. So 44. 12z minus 8z plus 4z. 10f minus 2f plus 8f is equal to 0. C get cancelled, plus c minus c, dear students. So keep it like this. Even it is possible dividing by 4 also. Based on the another question, we'll do it now. Okay. One more condition. Having the center lies on this line. Center of equation 1. Center of equation 1 that is minus z minus f, lies on the line 4x plus 3y minus 24 equal to 0. That implies in place of x and y minus z minus f, minus 4z minus 3f minus 24 equal to 0. So equation number, this is 4, this is 5. Now on solving 4 and 5, so place is there, solving 4 and 5, solving 4 and 5. So minus 4z minus 3f minus 24 equal to 0, plus 4z plus 8f plus 44 equal to 0. Just we are adding both the equations. These two will be cancelled. 8f minus 3f, 5f, 44 minus 24, 20. So 5f plus 20 equal to 0. That implies that 5f is equal to minus 20, f equal to minus 4. So f value substitute in equation 5, f equal to minus 4, substitute in 5, we get minus 4z minus 3 into minus 4 minus 24 equal to 0. That implies minus 4z, 12 minus 24 minus 12. So minus 4z equal to 12. So g equal to minus 3. So g value, f value, we got it. So to get the c value, we need to substitute in this. F comma z values, substitute in equation 2. 17 plus 8 into minus 3 plus 2 into minus 4 plus c equal to 0. 17 minus 24 minus 8 plus c equal to 0. So 24, 32. So minus 15 plus c equal to 0. That implies c equal to 15. While calculating, be aware, dear students, be careful. One minus or one plus will change your total answer, like idea. G, F, C values substitute in equation 1. G, F and C values substitute in equation 1. X square plus y square plus 2 into minus 3x plus 2 into minus 4y minus plus 15. So therefore, x square plus y square minus 6x minus 8y plus 15 equal to 0, which is the required equation of circle passing through these 2 points and whose center lies on the line 4x plus 3y minus 24 equal to 0. I hope you understand. I'll move to another question. Wait a minute. Yeah, if it is completed, I'll move to another question, dear students. Not only from the first exercise, but from different exercises. One of the important example is there. in our textbook. Even that also we will follow. Now I'll come to you. If the polar of point, if the polar of the point, 1 minute. Hello. Good evening, madam. Who is this? Oh, sorry, madam. I am in Karnool right now. Yes. Yeah. If the polar of a point on the circle x square plus y square equal to a square with respect to x square plus y square equal to b square touching the circle x square plus y square equal to c square, then show that A, B, C are in geometric progression GP. Is a good question. The figure also we can draw that. If the polar of the point on the circle, first 3 circles we need to draw, dear students. First circle, all are concentric circles. If you observe that carefully, all are concentric circles only. So here, this is the first equation, this is second equation, this is third equation. The polar of point P, here I am taking the point on first equation, x1, y1. Polar of P with respect to second equation. Second equation means this one. It touches the third circle. For second equation, with respect to second, it touches like this one. This is polar of 2. Polar of 2 with respect to polar of p with respect to polar of p with respect to equation 2. Now I am writing what is equation 1, equation 2, equation 3. So given circles x square plus y square equal to a square, x square plus y square equal to b square, and x square plus y square equal to c square. These are the three equations which are concentric circles whose center is 0 with different radii, a, b, c, different radii. Okay. The polar of point on the circle, first circle is there, this one. So, let p of x1, y1 lies on equation 1. Then we have, in place of x, y, x1, y1 replace x1 square plus y1 square equal to a square. Okay. x1 square plus y1 square equal to a square. P lies on that. The polar equation, the polar of the point P with respect to second equation of circle, the polar of P with respect to second equation. What is second equation? X square plus y square equal to b square is S1 equal to 0. S1 according to this circle we need to do that. That is S1 equal to, for this circle, x1 plus y1, that b square bring the side, minus b square equal to 0. Keep it as equation number 4. You write in the form of ax plus by plus c. So we can write it as x1 into x, y1 into y, minus b square. Now this polar equation touching the third circle. Whenever the pole, any line touching the circle means what? Radius equal to perpendicular distance. So radius is equal to d. Here radius according to third circle is what? C. From where? From center of the circle is 0, 0, no. Since equation 4 touches equation 3, then radius is equal to, radius of equation 3, radius of equation 3 is equal to perpendicular distance from center of equation 3, that is 0, 0 to equation 4. So that is, what is radius of equation 3? That is, radius of equation 3 is C, third circle radius. Perpendicular distance from origin to the line. Mod, compare this equation with ax plus by plus c. Mod c by root over a square plus b square. Perpendicular distance formula, dear students. Mod c by root of a square plus b square now. Perpendicular distance formula from origin to the line. In the first year itself we practiced in the 1B. Perpendicular distance from origin to the line is mod c by root of a square plus b square. This line compared with ax plus by plus c. C value is here. Mod minus b square by root over x coefficient whole square, that means x1 square plus y1 square. Mod minus b square is b square by square root of x1 square plus y1 square. From this result, this is equal to a square. Okay. So that is equal to b square by root a square is a. So that implies c is equal to b square by a. Cross multiply b square equal to ac. B square equal to ac, it shows that a, b, c are in geometric progression or in GP. Hence result. Hence we proved. Are you okay, dear students? One more interesting and important question. So only few times they asked in the public exam. That also I want to explain here. I already kept a number of videos. Even that video also kept, but in the live I am teaching for you. I am expecting compulsory this video will help you a lot. Not only this one, whatever I am taking live classes, these videos will help you in the coming public examination, dear students. This is another method what I taught in the previous for this question, dear students. Find the equations of circles, the equations of circles which touch 2x minus 3y plus 1 equal to 0 at point 1, and having the radius root 13 is a good question. In the next session, this is the last question, dear students. In the next session, all 7 more questions. Find the equation of circle passing into 3 points, concyclic. Hi, good evening all. Concyclic and find the transverse common tangent, find the direct common tangents. That we are going to discuss. So first we need to draw the rough figure of this question. Find the equation of circles which touch 2x minus 3y plus 1 equal to 0 at 1, 1. So find the circles. This is one circle. This is another circle. At the point 1, 1. With radius root 13, here center 1, center 2, this line is 2x minus 3y plus 1 equal to 0. So how to get these centers? Radius, it is root 13, it is given. How to get this center and this center? Radius, it is given as root 13, is absolutely. This is a point of contact, x1, y1. But how to get? By observing the line of centers C1, C2 is perpendicular to tangent. So perpendicular means for this line, perpendicular line. That means normal form of the straight line you need to draw. You need to find. Let the centers of required circles be C1 and C2. One is S1 equal to 0, S equal to 0, another one is S dash equal to 0 circles. S equal to 0, comma S dash equal to 0 touches the line 2x minus 3y plus 1 equal to 0 at 1, 1. This line of centers, and C1, C2 is perpendicular to 2x minus 3y plus 1 equal to 0. Observe in the figure, dear students. C1, C2 is perpendicular to this. You got it now? C1, C2 is absolutely perpendicular to the line 2x minus 3y plus 1. So whenever it is perpendicular, C1, C2 is perpendicular to this line. For this line, perpendicular line, that means normal line. Normal line to 2x minus 3y plus 1 equal to 0 is. How to convert into the normal form? Dividing by root of a square plus b square. A value 2, b value 3. So that implies that. So 2x divided by root 13, root of a square plus b square, minus 3y by root 13 plus 1 by root 13 equal to 0. But I want here the constant should can bring that sign. So 2x by root 13 minus 3y by root 13 is equal to minus 1 by root 13. But I want here always positive value I need to get. Why positive value? This equation compared with normal form means x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to p. P means perpendicular distance. Distance always should be positive. That is the reason multiplying by minus 2 by root 13 into x plus 3 by root 13 into y is equal to 1 by root 13. Compare this equation with x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to p. Here cos alpha equal to minus 2 by root 13, sin alpha 3 by root 13, p equal to 1 by root 13, which is greater than 0. So this is the way. So what is the for this? I want to get the centers of these two, C1 and C2. Now, how to get the centers? Centers of the circle. The coordinates of the centers. Coordinates of C1 and C2 are by parametric equations of the straight line. Parametric equations of a straight line. Yeah, it will come. The parametric equation formula x1 plus or minus r cos alpha, y1 plus or minus r sin alpha. What is alpha? Alpha, r value is given as root 3. Here r value is given as root 13, sorry. So x1, y1 value is also given 1, 1. So centers C1 and C2. x1 means 1 plus or minus r value root 13. So cos alpha value minus 2 by root 13, comma 1 plus or minus root 13, 3 by root 13, root 13 get cancelled. 1 plus or minus 2, 1 plus or minus 3. If we consider plus, you will get C1. 1 minus 2 minus 1, 1 plus 3, 4, and C2. If you consider minus of minus 2, 3, 1 minus 3, minus 2. This is h comma k. Radius we got it already, root 13, and radius r equal to root 13. Go to case 1, case 2. To get the first equation of circle, x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square, dear students, equal to r square. H comma k, in first case you take these values. H minus of minus 1 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square equal to root 13 square. So x square plus 2x plus 1, y square minus 8y plus 16 minus 13 equal to 0. 13 bring this side. So x square plus y square plus 2x minus 8y. Here 17 minus 13 plus 4 equal to 0. This is one of the equation of circles. Yeah, we move to second question, second case. C2 value. Here also case 2 will write it. X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. So x minus 3 whole square plus y minus of minus 2 whole square equal to root 13 whole square. Okay. So x square minus 6x plus 9 y square plus 4y plus 4 equal to 13. So 9 plus 4, 13, 13 get cancelled. X square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y is equal to 0. So which are the required equation of the circles whose radius is given and touching the line 2x minus 3y plus y equal to 0 with radii r equal to root 13 for both the circles. I hope you understand, dear students. This is the different way I have gone through. Why? Because in the previous videos, different method I approached. Okay. Thank you all, dear students, for watching. After completing of the session, whatever you want, you write in the comment box. I'll help you. In the coming days, I will come with 7 marks question. Daily 2 or 3 questions I will explain in the session. Thank you all. Jai Hind, Maths with Panindra. Yeah, yes, you can score 50 plus. You can.